Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Bertolo from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Today is September 9th, 2025. Here is what we are covering. In a world where ads often overwhelm with their loud and flashy tactics, companies like Whisker, Calm, and AngelSoft are choosing a different path. Whisker's latest ad features a cat calmly using the litter robot to the tune of elevator music, a stark contrast to the usual high-energy commercials. Similarly, during high-tension events like election coverage and the Super Bowl, Calm and AngelSoft provided viewers with 30 seconds of silence and a prompt to take a bathroom break, respectively. This approach isn't about cutting costs or pure altruism. It's a strategic move to stand out by offering overstimulated consumers a brief respite. Marketers are recognizing the power of positioning their brand as a moment of calm, tapping into a collective need for a break in an age of constant information bombardment. From advertising to AI, ElevenLabs, an AI voice startup founded in 2022, is set to reach a $6 billion valuation with an employee secondary sale, nearly doubling its previous worth of $3.3 billion after a significant funding round. The company, known for creating highly natural synthetic voices, has seen rapid adoption across gaming, publishing, and corporate sectors. Its technology allows for lifelike AI speech, positioning ElevenLabs at the forefront of the competitive generative AI industry. With expanded offerings, including multilingual dubbing and voice design, the startup's platform now supports a wide range of AI audio applications. Serving over 60% of Fortune 500 companies, including high-profile clients like The Washington Post and HarperCollins, ElevenLabs reported $90 million in annual revenue by the end of 2024, with projections suggesting figures could top $200 million in 2025. The secondary sale aims to reward early backers and employees as the company eyes global expansion and a potential IPO. Switching to legislation on Monday, Anthropic threw its weight behind California's SB 53, a pioneering bill aimed at enhancing AI safety through transparency. Authored by State Senator Scott Wiener, the bill seeks to set a precedent by requiring top AI developers to publicly share safety protocols and reports. This move by Anthropic is significant amid strong opposition from industry giants and political figures who argue such regulations could stifle innovation. SB 53, focusing on preventing AI from enabling catastrophic events, still awaits a final Senate vote before potentially reaching Governor Gavin Newsom's desk. Notably, Newsom previously vetoed a similar bill, highlighting the contentious battle over AI regulation. Amidst federal reluctance to act swiftly, California's push for AI safety standards represents a crucial step toward preemptive governance in the rapidly evolving tech landscape. Now, onto smartphones. As Apple gears up to launch new iPhones, industry insiders hint at a future where smartphones may become old news. The buzz? Artificial intelligence, AI, is on the brink of transforming personal computing. Forget tapping on apps. Soon, AI assistants could manage tasks for us, from scheduling meetups to jotting down shopping lists, all without us lifting a finger. The real game changer might not even be in our pockets, but on our faces or wrists. Think AI-powered glasses or bracelets, keeping us in tune with our surroundings and offering assistance on the go. With every big tech firm, from Apple to Meta, pondering what's next, smart glasses emerge as a hot favorite. They promise a future where our gadgets understand and interact with our world almost as closely as we do. Discussing AI Companions. An AI companion app designed to act as a friend and confidant is set to shut down. Its creator, New Computer, announced. Launched in 2024 by Sam Whitmore and Jason Yuan, promised personalized emotional support, becoming more tailored over time. Despite its innovative approach, the app has faced the broader challenges of the AI chatbot industry, including concerns over AI psychosis, where users might develop delusional thinking. This comes amid increasing scrutiny over AI apps, highlighted by a lawsuit against OpenAI by parents of a teenager who died after interacting with ChatGPT. Dot's closure, set for October 5th, allows users to download their data. The decision reflects a divergence in the founder's visions rather than direct controversy, aiming to let users part ways gracefully with their digital friend. Despite claims of widespread use, actual downloads suggest a more modest impact. Lastly, OpenAI's updates. OpenAI, a leading force in AI technology, is shaking things up by reorganizing its model behavior team, known for crafting the personality of its AI models. This small yet pivotal group of roughly 14 researchers will now merge with the larger post-training team, aiming to refine AI models post-pre-training. The restructure means the model behavior team will report to Max Schwarzer, the post-training lead. Joanne Zhang, the original head of model behavior, is branching out to spearhead OpenAI Labs, focusing on innovative AI-human collaboration interfaces. This move underscores OpenAI's commitment to evolving AI personalities, ensuring they're helpful without being overly agreeable or politically biased. Amidst user feedback on AI behavior nuances, OpenAI's adjustments aim to strike a balance between warmth and objectivity, reflecting the ongoing challenge of fine-tuning AI chatbot interactions. Thanks for listening to this episode.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.